Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can trade your star pass with a club point, a scouting point I mean. So what you need to do first is tap your star pass. So currently I'm in level 41. So I'm level up, each you are level up, you will get one star pass. And you can trade your star pass to become a scout point in the store. So what you need to do first is tap the store, tap the store. As you can see, there are some option here. For tap the star pass, this one, I do have a 39 star pass or pass point used to exchange for program tokens, and you can trade or exchange the star pass to become scouting point. For example, like this, I'm trade one star pass for one scouting point. So this scouting point also can be earned for founder chapters, quests, and store to exchange for rewards in founder club building chapter. So if you are running out of scout point, you can go to trade this pass point. Please give it a try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, or click the text button below. Enjoy the game.